Channel, it's your girl Torri J. Hey. So if you see my title, I'm coming back to y'all with another try on haul. But before I even start the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It's gonna be in the description box below, and it's gonna be, it should have been in my intro. So now before I start this video, I want to shout out a few people. So if y'all see my hair, yep, I got my hair done by my friend Torri. Yes, her name is also Torri. So I'm gonna put her Instagram, her hair page on my screen, and I'm gonna link it also down in the description box below. Y'all see my lashes? Y'all already know where I got these from. So make sure y'all check her out. This is the Lifestyle Unique. And then you see this onesie? I got this from my friend Daisha, her clothing boutique. I'm also linked it down below, and it should be on the screen right here. So make sure you go check out those three ladies and their little businesses. They doing good out here. You know, they got me looking good. And alright, so this is the top. I kind of messed up my neck. I had to take one of my necklaces off because I broke it. Put it on the top. So I really thought this was a bodysuit, but it's like, it's not. I really like it though. It's actually actually got size medium rather size small. Cause I tell you, this joint tight, like tight. This is cute, y'all. Like, this is really cute. So like, oh, and this is on the side of my tattoo. Oh, y'all know I'm about to pop out with this shirt. Y'all already know I'm about to pop out with this shirt. This shirt is really cute. I like this. Like, okay. This is the next one. This is just a regular old bodysuit. So I actually like this. It's a bodysuit or whatever. It's really, y'all, this is thick. Like, this is thick, comfortable. I think I have a body, my friend gave me a bodysuit just like this but in a darker color. This is really cute. Like, I like the way it's sitting, how it hold my boobs, like the way it make my body look a little snatched. Hold on, wait, look. Okay. Oh shit. We getting some color. Hold up. We getting some color. You know, I ain't doing my little normal black and white. So this is the next top. Aww. I look innocent. This is the next. I think I put it up over in the back. I like how the sleeves are, because I thought the sleeves was like kind of like connected, like smack connected to it like that. Some guys kind of like, you can move in it a lot. It's very secure. Very secure. Like, this is so cute. It's a crop top too, by the way, and this is cute, y'all. So look, this is nice. It's comfortable. It's not really see-through. I don't think y'all can really see much or whatever, but this is really nice. Like, it goes with this hair, goes with these shorts. Like, I'm giving, like, you know, I feel like I'm giving the spring look, really. Like, this is really cute though. Like, this is cute. It's just a little regular knitted crop top. I actually like this. I think I got this because it looked cute on the model, but I was scared because I was like, it's not gonna look cute on me. But I really like how this is looking. Like, the way it's really going with everything. Like, yeah, like, I got a lot of tops in this haul, but I really like this. Like, I always love Forever 21 clothes. Their clothes was always comfortable. Like, this is really comfortable. I will give this is giving like summer nights, because in Maryland it be raining like heck now at night, but hot during the day. So I wouldn't wear this. Like, you can wear this in the spring too. Like, this is cute. Like, I'll have a bra on too, so don't think that this shirt just so snatched that. Nah, I have a bra on too. So this is cute, y'all. Like, oh, it's a crop top. Lift your arms up. That's how much it gives. Put your arms down or whatever. I want to leave this on for a little bit because it's kind of comfortable, you know. This is just a basic old cropped white shirt, but the way that the girl wore it, she tied it in the front. So I thought it came like this. I know it came like this. Ooh, excuse me. But this is also a size small. It's cute though. I mean, I will wear this like if I want to be chill with some high-waisted pants and like some sneaks, some sneaks, and some like Jordans or something like that. And I actually needed a basic white shirt. I don't have a lot of white shirts. I have a lot of black shirts, and I honestly did not like that. So I'm kind of glad I got this white shirt. I'm kind of like gonna wear it as is. I'm not gonna really like do no extra stuff to it. This is a size small. Yeah, this is a size small. Alright, so these are these black high-rise jeans. They're not really high-rise on me. Look how I was making my butt look, y'all. I've been getting a little cakey lady. Y'all can't see it, it's okay. So these are kind of cute. These are a size 5. What's the word I'm trying to say? They're not really like, let me show y'all the ends. So this is how the ends are. Okay, they're not really, what's the word I'm trying to say? They're not really for tall girls. I'm not tall, but I'm just saying, like, if you're a tall girl and you're watching this and you want these pants, they're not for you. Because, like, they kind of like, how old is on me, really? If that makes sense. Next, we just got this Brooklyn shirt, this Brooklyn, New York shirt. It's cute. It's kind of big. This is a size small. I think it's supposed to fit oversized. My plans was to cut this shirt honestly into a crop top because I feel like it would be really cuter in a crop top rather than just a full shirt. But I might actually wear this in a full shirt for a while. You know what I wish I had? I wish I had the UNC or the Carolina blue ones. Y'all know the ones I'm talking about? If y'all don't, I'm gonna put a picture on here so y'all know what I'm talking about, because that would be really cute with this. Like, really cute with this. Like, I wish I had that, because like, I still got the black jeans on, especially with the black jeans. That whole fit would have been fire. But this shirt is cute. It's not see-through in my knowledge. Excuse me. It's not see-through. It's really cute. Aww, it's like my type of style. Y'all not like big shirts, so like. So this is the next top. This is just a seamless halter top, and I like it because it's not that see-through. So, oh, sorry, my armpits. I like it because it's comfortable. All of these clothes are comfortable. I've been saying it this whole video. It's this very thick material. It like holds everything in place. So like, excuse my side fit. It's a crop top. Oh, back is out too. I'll show y'all. The back is out, crop top, really cute. I could wear this, like, all the stuff I could wear right now. I mean, duh, that's the purpose of me buying this stuff. But I did not expect all this stuff to be cute. Like, I really liking all this stuff. And we still got more materials to go through. So now we got a dress. I don't know if this dress is supposed to show under boob or not. I don't know. I gotta see what the picture look like, because I don't know. Because how would it look showing under boob? Oh, it would look like that. So this dress is thick as hell. It's thick. How am I looking? Am I looking cakey? Am I looking cakey? Oh, am I looking cakey? Hold up. This dress is fire. Whenever I get a boo, look at my butt. Hey, hey. I like this dress a lot. Again, very much thick material. It's not that long, which I like. It stops like right at my knees. This is a size small, medium. No, small. And I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out if this is supposed to show under boob or not. Like, how would it look? Because I'm not the type of girl to force it. Like, I'm not going to force it. If it's not supposed to show under titty, it's not supposed to show under titty. And at the same time, it's just like, I don't have a lot of boobs. So what if it was supposed to show under boob, but I just don't have enough boobs to show the under boob? You get what I'm trying to say? But I like this. Like, this is like a cool little smooth date night type of dress. Like, say babe want to take me out and it just be like, let's go on a date. I'll be like, okay, and we go on a date somewhere, like say we just trying to celebrate an anniversary or something, then yeah. I mean, I'm still single, but I'm just saying this is a cute little date night dress, you know. So this is the last little set, last piece. It's just a romper, like a plain old romper, because I needed a new one. Y'all, I mean, cakey. It's like barely. I've been needing a new one, and I kind of like this one because this was like tight. I have one, but it ripped in the back, so I have to tie it in the back sometimes. I don't like that, so I'm actually glad I got this. This is about to be my new go-to. Run into the store, errand set. If somebody want me to pull it up on them real quick, throw on this fit type of set. Because of how it looks, I would not wear this with sneakers. I don't like when girls wear this type of outfit with like sneakers. I wear this with like a jean jacket and some sandals. But I mean, like, to each his own. To each his. You remember how I said that we had 2 accessories? I lied. We have 3 accessories. So the first accessories we have are these anklets. So I have a gold anklet, but I needed a silver anklet because I'm not that type of person. I don't care, like gold, silver, I don't give a fuck. If it's jewelry, it's jewelry. So that's what I do. I like jewelry. I just love jewelry. I don't really care what kind of jewelry it is. I don't care if it's rose gold, gold, silver. I don't give a fuck. So I got these anklets just so like I'll have something, you know, on my ankle when I'm wearing silver. Because one thing about me, I don't mix gold and silver. You don't. Next is I got a bag. I got this bag actually for school. If we was going back to school, but shit and me, who knows. So I got this bag. It's sweet. This might actually be a fit right now. Like this bag in this bodysuit. Like, this is cute, y'all. It's really cute. It's actually, it came bigger than what I thought, you know. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. You know how they be like false advertising on these apps? They be zooming in so close that you think the bag is bigger than what it is, and it really ain't. So you got a pocket in the front, and you got this big old pocket right here. So, oh, you also have a zipper. Alright, so you also have this zipper right here. You see it? A little, just one pocket inside, and it's kind of spacious a little bit, just a little bit. But because my laptop is not that big, I'm about to show y'all. Because my laptop is not that big, like I could honestly, okay, I capped. I thought I could fit it, but I can't. I can't. I don't even know if my YouTube book can fit in here. Hold on. Let me see. Like, maybe this might have to be a YouTube bag. Like, yeah, my YouTube book can't even fit in here. Alright, well, you know how you just going somewhere with your friends really quick and you just want to look stylish instead of carrying a purse? Yeah, this is what we will carry. Look at this. So, I was kind of skeptical on getting this for my own personal reasons. But y'all, this is bomb. Like, I have an orange purse like this, but not like this. Be like, let me show y'all. This is my orange purse, baby. But look at this one. Look at this. Like, this is really cute. Hold on, I gotta see if it's spacious inside. It's no pockets in here. It's only just the purse, but it's still cute, so I don't even care. But it's really cute, y'all. Like, okay, Forever 21, look at you. Alright, so you reached the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, make sure you check out all the business pages I mentioned in the beginning of this video. I'm also going to leave them in the description box below. Make sure you also check out my business page, and make sure you also follow me on all social media platforms at itstorrijayy, Snapchat being teediaries. I'm going to link everything from this haul in the description box below. So like all the items are on the list below, if they're still in stock. And I'm also going to have the link so you can just click on them and go to them if they're still in stock. So if they're not in stock, I'm sorry, it's unavailable. Yeah, and then y'all gonna see me pop out with some of these pieces real soon, probably today. Or maybe by the time this video drop, I should have some pictures up. So make sure you go check. Oh yeah, my hair is 54 inches if you couldn't tell by this video. Oh, I got it in the knot. Look, I have my hair in the knot. Hold on, y'all. Can't even stand tall to show y'all all of it, but 54 inches long. I'm gonna insert a picture in here so y'all can see. Yeah, I think that's it. So see y'all. 48 hurt. 48 hurt. 48 hurt.